Dear teachers, now please allow me to show you how to make this easy class schedule so that students, they will just need to click the link and it will directly go to the Zoom class. Okay. First, you will need to collect the Zoom link from the specialists. Specialists, please go to the class that you are going to teach from Zoom, click the Show Meeting Invitation, and copy this link, Join Zoom Meeting link. Remember to copy this one, okay? Copy this one above the meeting ID, Copy and send the email to the homeroom teacher. Homeroom teacher, when you received the link, copy and come to this schedule. Let's say if this is the math class link, choose the click here, right click, click link, and address, right here, address. Paste the link. This is the link you collected from the specialists, okay? Now click OK. Done. So easy. Okay, now PE, please collect the link right here. Collect the link from PE teacher and click here, choose it, right click, link, address, paste. Okay, done. Now, do you understand how to do this? For all these different classes, you just need to change the title, like music. This one is Bahasa. And copy paste the link. Do you understand now? I hope it is easy for you. For all these colors, different subject, you can choose different colors. Like Mandarin, I choose this color. Math, all the maths are in this kind of color. How to change color? Choose it. You need to choose it like this. Choose it until it becomes like this. And you will show a pop-up. In this shading, choose the color. I suggest you to choose the color right here so that all the color will match. Don't choose dark color. It will look, doesn't match very well. Okay, choose this one. And all the same subject, remember to do this. All the same subject become you can use the same color. Okay? Now, when you are done, click File and Export. Create PDF file. Okay? Save it in your computer. Then it will become like this. This is the PDF file you will send it to the parents. Students, when they need to have class, they just need to click here and it will immediately direct it to the Zoom class. I hope this helps.